Solving problems with the ECAS series, high capacitance and thin package. For example, have you faced the problem whereby there is no space to put capacitors? Or you want to create a thin product that uses capacitors, but you find that the available capacitors are too thick? The ECAS series provides a solution to such problems. MLCC products have a maximum capacitance of 330 microfarad, but the ECAS series from Murata manufacturing are high capacitance capacitors with a maximum capacitance of 470 microfarad. An extensive lineup of products is available, allowing you to select the capacitance that best matches your product. With the ECAS series of high capacitance capacitors, a single device can do the job of multiple conventional capacitors. The footprint is around 50% smaller than that of an MLCC device of equivalent capacitance, making it possible to achieve more compact product designs. What's more, the ECAS series has a thin package only 2 mm tall. This is more than 50% thinner than an equivalent can-type aluminum electrolytic capacitor, making it possible to achieve thinner product designs. Our ECAS series product lineup starts with low-profile packages that are just 2 mm tall, making it possible to achieve more compact, thinner products and providing enhanced product design flexibility. In addition, switching to the ECAS series and thereby reducing the number of capacitors used makes it possible to lighten the burden on the environment by reducing resource consumption and waste. You can request free samples of ECAS series products on the Murata website. Please feel free to submit a request.